A darkened room glows with the soft light of multiple screens, displaying analytics charts and video templates. Alex, an unseen narrator, introduces themselves. People often think you need to show your face to succeed on YouTube, but that's not the only path. With some creativity and the right tools, you can stay invisible and build a powerful channel. Alex reveals their toolkit: a screen recorder, royalty-free music library, AI voice generator, script writing software, and copyright-free image sources. Automation is key. The less manual work, the faster you scale. A narrative unfolds as Alex researches trending topics using Google Trends and TubeBuddy. The art is in picking what people want to watch. Here's my process. I spend a few hours finding evergreen or viral topics, then feed keywords into my content wheel. Alex outlines how they write scripts, sometimes with the help of AI. I keep the tone neutral but engaging. I want every video to sound like a trusted guide, never a salesperson. The script is handed off to an AI voice narrator, and the tools simulate a studio voiceover. Montage of video creation. Snippets of images fade in and out. Simple animations illustrate concepts. Text overlays highlight key points. Alex demonstrates using Canva and After Effects templates. Each video is a mosaic of visuals. I automate as much as possible. Templates save hours. Uploading schedules flash by on a dashboard. Thumbnails auto-generated. Descriptions optimized with AI. Tags fine-tuned for reach. Most uploads are scheduled in batches, Alex notes. Content never sleeps. The audience grows even while I do other things. Alex navigates the channel analytics, pointing out rapid subscriber growth and spikes in watch time after clever use of playlists and end screens. Direct engagement is important, but automation helps manage comments. Keywords trigger auto-replies that keep conversations alive. A suspenseful moment. Alex faces a copyright strike from a third-party image. After investigating, they swap in a verified royalty-free alternative, shielding the monetization stream. Twist. A viral video unexpectedly brings in thousands of new followers overnight. Alex, observing the surge via notifications, quickly adapts the next batch of scripts to capitalize on the trend, demonstrating rapid pivot power enabled by automation. Alex reflects, you don't have to be famous or outgoing. Behind every faceless channel, there's a system, an invisible hand shaping content and audience. With the right strategy, anyone can do it. The screens flicker off, yet the channel continues its ascent, managed efficiently by invisible workflows.